Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ConvertKit landing pages with Shopify purchase tracking easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install ConvertKit landing pages with Shopify purchase tracking, start by logging into your ConvertKit account. In the dashboard, navigate to the landing pages and forms section. Click on the Create Landing Page button to begin. Choose a template that suits your needs and customize it to match your brand. Fill in the page title and any other necessary details. Continue to customize the elements, such as images and text, to your liking. Once satisfied with your landing page, click on the Publish button. Copy the landing page URL provided by ConvertKit. Next, log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Online Store section and click on the Themes option. Find the theme you are currently using and click on Actions. Select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the theme files, locate the file named theme.liquid. Open the theme.liquid file for editing. Scroll to the bottom of the file and paste the ConvertKit landing page URL. To enable purchase tracking, you need to add a ConvertKit tracking script. Go back to ConvertKit and navigate to the account settings. Under the Integrations section, find the Shopify integration. Follow the instructions provided to obtain the conversion tracking script. Copy the script and return to the Shopify theme.liquid file. Paste the conversion tracking script just before the closing/body tag. Make sure all changes are saved in the theme editor. To confirm everything is set up correctly, visit your ConvertKit landing page. Complete a test purchase through your Shopify store to ensure tracking is functioning. Check your ConvertKit analytics to verify that the purchase was recorded successfully. If all steps were completed correctly, your setup should be fully operational. You are now ready to start capturing leads and tracking purchases using ConvertKit and Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.